say more English.
Shopping for a jacket.
Hi, can you help me find a jacket?
Sure. What kind of jacket are you looking for?
I want something casual for everyday wear.
Okay. Do you prefer a light jacket or a warm one?
A light jacket is fine.
What size do you usually wear?
I usually wear a medium.
Great. Follow me, please.
Thanks.
These jackets here are very popular.
This one looks nice.
Yes, it's good for spring and fall.
Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting room is over there.
Thank you.
Take your time.
I like the fit, but the sleeves feel a little long.
Would you like to try a small size?
Yes, that would be great.
Here you go.
Thanks.
How does this one feel?
It fits better. I like this size.
That color looks good on you.
I think so too. How much is it?
It's $54.
Is it on sale?
Yes, it's 10% off today.
That sounds good.
Would you like to buy it?
Yes, I'll take it.
Great. Please come to the counter.
Can I pay by card or cash?
Both are fine. We also accept Apple Pay.
I'll pay by card.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Here's your receipt and your jacket.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Taking a taxi.
Hi, are you available for a ride?
Yes, I am. Where would you like to go?
I just arrived at the airport and need to go to my hotel downtown.
Sure. What is the hotel name and address?
It's the City Center Hotel on 245 Market Street.
Do you have any luggage?
Yes, just one suitcase.
No problem. I can put it in the trunk for you.
Thank you. That would be helpful.
All set. You can get in now.
Thanks. Is it okay if we take the fastest way?
We can take the freeway, but traffic may be a bit heavy right now.
How long will the trip take?
About 40 minutes without traffic, maybe 50 with traffic.
That's fine. Are we taking the freeway now?
Yes, I'll get on the freeway in a few minutes.
Okay. By the way, how does the fare work?
The price is based on the meter and the distance we travel.
Are there any extra charges?
There may be a small toll on the freeway.
I see. Can I pay by card or Apple Pay?
Yes, you can pay by card, Apple Pay, or cash.
Great. I'll probably use Apple Pay.
That works. I'll let you know the total at the end.
Sounds good. Is traffic usually busy at this time?
Yes, especially in the evening. It can slow us down a bit.
Thanks for letting me know.
No problem. We're making good progress so far.
That's good to hear.
We should arrive in about 10 minutes.
Perfect. Please let me know when we're close.
Sure. We're almost there now.
This looks like the hotel area.
Yes, here we are. City Center Hotel.
Great. How much is the total?
The total is $42, including the toll.
Okay. I'll pay with Apple Pay.
Payment received. Thank you.
Here's a small tip as well.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Thanks for the ride. Have a nice day.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay and take care.
Buying a birthday gift.
Hi, I need help choosing a gift.
Sure. Who is it for?
It's for my sister.
How old is she?
She's 25 years old.
What does she like?
She likes simple things.
Is this for a special day?
Yes, it's for her birthday.
What is your budget?
Around $30.
This silver necklace is very popular here.
It looks nice.
It's simple and easy to wear.
How much is it?
It's $28.
That's perfect.
Would you like gift wrapping?
Yes, please.
Would you like to add a card?
Yes, a small card is fine.
What would you like to write on it?
Just happy birthday.
No problem.
Thank you.
Please come to the counter.
Can I pay with cash?
Yes, you can.
Here you go.
Here is your change.
Thank you.
Here is your gift.
It looks very nice.
I'm glad you like it.
My sister will like this necklace.
I'm sure she will.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Have a great day.
You too.
Forgetting an umbrella.
Oh no, I just realized I forgot my umbrella.
Really? It looks like it's going to rain soon.
Yes, the sky is getting very dark.
Where are you going right now?
I need to walk to the bus stop.
That's not very close.
I know, and I don't want to get wet.
Did you check the weather this morning?
I did, but I was in a hurry.
That happens. Do you want to wait here for a bit?
I can't wait too long, or I'll miss the bus.
I have an extra umbrella at home.
Really? That would help a lot.
Yes, let me grab it quickly.
Thank you so much.
No problem. I'll be back in a minute.
Okay, I'll wait here.
Here you go. This one is small but it works.
This is perfect.
Just remember to bring it back later.
Of course. I'll return it tomorrow.
Sounds good.
It's starting to rain already.
Yes, you should leave now.
You're right. Are the buses usually on time in the rain?
Sometimes they are a little late.
I hope I don't have to wait too long.
At least you'll stay dry now.
That's true. I really appreciate your help.
Anytime. Be careful on the road.
I will. Thanks again.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
The washing machine is broken.
Hey, do you have a minute? I think the washing machine is broken.
Really? What happened?
I tried to start it, but it won't turn on.
Did you check if it's plugged in?
Yes, I checked. The plug is fine.
What about the power button?
I pressed it a few times, but nothing happened.
That's strange. Was it working yesterday?
Yes, I used it last night with no problem.
Did it make any noise this time?
No, it was completely quiet.
Maybe the power went out for a moment.
The lights are on, so I don't think that's the case.
You're right. Did you put too many clothes in it?
I don't think so. It was a normal load.
That could be an issue.
I really need to wash my clothes today.
I understand. I also have laundry to do.
Should we try restarting it?
Yes, let's unplug it for a minute.
Okay, I'll do that now.
Let me know when it's plugged back in.
All right, it's plugged in again.
Try turning it on now.
Still nothing. It still won't start.
Then it might need a repair.
Should we call the landlord?
Yes, that's probably the best idea.
I'll send a message right away.
Good. What will we do about laundry today?
Maybe we can go to the laundromat nearby.
That's a good backup plan.
It's a bit inconvenient, but we don't have a choice.
At least it's only a few blocks away.
True. I'll grab my laundry bag.
I'll do the same.
Hopefully the washing machine gets fixed soon.
Yes, it's much easier to do laundry at home.